In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your 1099 tax documents from Robinhood and use them to report your income on your tax return. Whether you're a beginner or have been investing for a while, keeping up with your tax documents is absolutely essential to staying compliant with tax laws and ensuring that you're not missing any important details for the year. Let's start by logging in to your Robinhood account on your computer. Head to robinhood.com and enter your login credentials. For the best experience, I recommend doing this on a desktop or laptop, since it's a bit easier to navigate than on your phone. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see the account option, usually your profile icon or your initials. Click on that, and then from the drop-down menu, select Tax Center. This area is specifically designed to hold all of your important tax documents, making it simple to find what you need. Once you're in the tax center, you should see a list of available tax years. Go ahead and select the tax year for which you need your documents. The year you want will depend on which tax return you're currently preparing. For example, if you're filing taxes for last year, select that corresponding year. After selecting the correct year, you'll see an option to download your 1099 or consolidated tax document. Just click the download button and your document will be saved to your computer. Be sure to save it somewhere easy to remember so you don't have trouble finding it later. Now, before you file your taxes, it's really important that you review your 1099 document closely. Take some time to check all the details listed, including your sales, dividend income, any interest you've earned, and other types of income that may be reported. This document is comprehensive, and making sure everything matches your own records will help prevent errors on your tax return. If you spot anything that doesn't look right or seems unfamiliar, it's always a good idea to consult the help resources on Robinhood or reach out to their support team for clarification. Once you've reviewed your document and are confident that all the information is accurate, you're ready to use it to report your income on your tax return. Specifically, you'll use the figures for capital gains, losses, dividends, and interest when you fill out the corresponding sections on your tax forms. This step is crucial for ensuring that you're paying the correct amount of taxes and that you're accurately reporting all of your investment activity. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will help you quickly and confidently access your Robinhood 1099, verify your information, and stay organized for tax time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your tax documents handy for your records.